Welcome to Microchip's briefing. The content of the briefing includes US STOCKS-Dow scores second record close in a row on lower rate bets. Intel unveils server, PC chips in bid to join AI gold rush. TSMC Sony venture calls for more chip suppliers to invest in Japan. A bull market is coming, the two best Magnificent 7 stocks to buy now, according to Wall Street. US STOCKS-Dow scores second record close in a row on lower rate bets. Yahoo! Intel unveils server, PC chips in bid to join AI gold rush. Bloomberg. Intel has launched a new range of chips aimed at the artificial intelligence (AI) market. The products include ultra-core chips for laptops and desktops that are capable of processing AI functions directly, as well as updated Xeon server chips for data centers. In addition, Intel has announced the release of Gaudi 3, a line of AI accelerators that the company claims will outperform NVIDIA's industry-leading H100. The new products are part of CEO Pat Gelsinger's strategy of reinvigorating Intel's growth through AI. TSMC Sony venture calls for more chip suppliers to invest in Japan. Nikkei Asia. Japan Advanced Semiconductor Manufacturing, JASM, the company operating Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company TSMC, first chip plant in Japan, is urging Japanese chip suppliers to invest more in the country. Many Japanese chip suppliers have shifted production to Taiwan to serve major customers like TSMC, but JASM is calling for them to return to Japan and help the country re-enter the global chip race. JASM aims to increase its domestic sourcing of materials and machine components, with a goal of sourcing 60% of indirect materials from Japan by 2030, up from the current 25%. The call for investment comes as Japan seeks to revive its chip industry and reduce reliance on overseas suppliers. Ladies and gentlemen, it's your favorite observer from the 6 Degrees world, Dr. 6. I hope you're all doing well and ready for some exciting news from the financial and tech worlds. First up, we have the US stock market continuing its winning streak, with the Dow Jones Industrial Average reaching a second consecutive record high. This rally was fueled by optimism that borrowing rates will decrease in 2023. It seems like investors are betting on a more dovish stance from the Federal Reserve, and that's good news for the market. Even sectors that have underperformed this year, such as energy and real estate, saw gains. So, it's a green day for Wall Street. In the tech realm, Intel is making its move in the AI market by launching a new range of chips designed specifically for AI applications. From laptops and desktops to server chips for data centers, Intel is going all in on AI. CEO Pat Gelsinger is determined to reinvigorate Intel's growth through this booming sector. Watch out, NVIDIA, Intel is coming for you. Speaking of chips, Japan Advanced Semiconductor Manufacturing, JASM, the company operating TSMC's chip plant in Japan, is calling on Japanese chip suppliers to invest more in the country. Many Japanese suppliers have moved their production to Taiwan, but JASM wants them to come back home and help Japan re-enter the global chip race. It's all part of Japan's plan to revive its chip industry and reduce reliance on overseas suppliers. Let's see if they can make it happen. Now, let's dive into some investment advice. According to Wall Street strategists, a bull market is on the horizon, and they've identified the two best Magnificent 7 stocks to buy right now. The lucky winners are Alphabet, Amazon, Apple, Meta Platforms, Microsoft, NVIDIA, and Tesla. These tech giants have a proven track record of creating wealth for shareholders, and analysts predict even more upside for NVIDIA and Amazon. With NVIDIA dominating the AI hardware market and Amazon leading in digital advertising and cloud infrastructure, these two stocks are expected to see significant growth in the coming years. So, there you have it, folks. The stock market is riding high, Intel is making its AI moves, Japan wants its chip suppliers back, and Wall Street is betting on the tech giants. It's an exciting time in the world of finance and technology. Now, I'd love to hear your thoughts on these news stories. Do you agree with Wall Street's predictions? Are you excited about Intel's AI chips? And what do you think about Japan's efforts to revive its chip industry? Let's start a discussion and see what ideas you have. Thank you for tuning in. The content above showcases the latest briefing reports and analytical synopses, thoughtfully curated by the 6Do team. These insights stem from a wide array of reputable media outlets, think tanks, government sources, and specialized experts worldwide. We encourage you to explore these sources for a comprehensive perspective. Keep in mind that while the content may not always align with the official standpoint of STOCKS-Dow brief, it's not meant to be taken as absolute directives for decision-making. Comprising seasoned media professionals, learned scholars, and accomplished scientists, the STOCKS-Dow team embodies a trailblazing, fully independent media entity. To customize STOCKS-Dow brief to meet your professional needs, you have the option to subscribe to a diverse array of briefings on our website, stocksdowbrief.com. Regardless of your location, you can conveniently receive STOCKS-Dow brief via email.